All right, y'all, taking a look at Kaspa on the weekly time frame. We're going to go through this from a technical standpoint, not a fundamental standpoint. I know a lot of you guys think Kaspa's going to $10, and I don't hate this coin. And if it does, that is great. But let's look at it from a technical standpoint. And I want you to keep an open mind because you should always, in my opinion, you should always anticipate an underperformance. That way you're ready and you don't wind up round tripping your bag if it doesn't do what you think it's going to do fundamentally or with partnerships or whatever. So let's look at the technicals and then I'll tell you what I think. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. We're going to be doing Kaspa updates and many other altcoin updates along the way. Comment down below what you think of this video and the price prediction and any other altcoin you want me to look at. Let's dive in. Kaspa set an all-time high in July of 2024 of 19.6 cents. Let's call it 20 cents. A market cap of $5 billion and a circulating supply of $24.1 billion. Set another high in 2025, 13 cents. And currently we're at 3 cents. Just dipped below it actually as I'm filming this. 3 cents with a circulating supply of 27.5 billion and a market cap of 833 million. Now, next cycle, you are going to have a circulating supply of 28.4 billion coins. That's about 4.5 billion coins more than you had at your all-time high. So you're adding about 15%. That's not terrible. You are getting slight market dilution through token unlocks, but a lot of coins are 300, 400, 500% more coins. So adding about 15% is not terrible, okay? On a strong coin like Kaspa, the market should absorb that pretty easily. Now, what I want to look at is the market cap of Kaspa, okay? And here's a little trick for you guys so that you're prepared just in case, because I can't tell you how many coins the narrative has suggested are going to the moon, new all-time highs, and then all they do is a little retracing down, okay? So if this happens, fantastic, but be prepared for this just in case. And if nothing else, guys, in my VIP Discord, we accumulate coins like this. So I might invest 10 grand here, and when we get up here, I might sell if we get a rejection here. Ride it back, invest. Again, buy more, 50% discount. Why not? Then ride up, sell, buy, sell. That way I'm accumulating coins without investing another nickel in the market. So pay attention. These are important, whether they stop here and that's all you get or not. These are important. So Kaspa had about a $5 billion market cap. If we retrace to these levels, I have ran the formula, and here are the prices you will reach at these retrace levels, okay? So if Kaspa, for example, just retraces to the 0.5 fib, let's say, you're going to have a 9.5 cent Kaspa, okay? If that's all you get, just a 9.5 cent. And this happens more often than you think. Most coins do not set new highs. A lot of them do. Most of them don't, though. So just be prepared. And like I said, if nothing else, you can trade this, okay? And here are the levels if you want to screenshot them that you can trade or be looking to get out of the market if you retrace. These are not bad return on investments from current price. However, let me show you my bull run price prediction for Kaspa. I think Kaspa does a $7 billion market cap, and you get a bull run price of 25 cents. Okay, I want to draw your attention to a couple things, though. You can see a clear level here where the value area range or the volume profile, clearly this is an upper range and this is a lower range, right? That's obvious. So look at the value area low and the value area high. I'm going to turn on our retrace levels again and look at how well they line up. Your value area low lines up perfectly with the golden pocket, and your value area high lines up perfect with your market cap all-time high or 1-to-1 fib extension. So if all you did was the same market cap that you got up here, your price is going to be 16 cents. That's because you've added tokens to the market, okay? But look how well those line up. So even if you set a new all-time high, this tells me I should be looking for resistance at this level, probably a good pullback, so probably a good area for me to sell at. Of course, I'll determine that as we get there and I'll see the reaction, but you're probably going to have on a rejection here in first pass, and then that'll be a good opportunity to accumulate more and possibly push up into here before you reject again, and then we'll see if you set new all-time highs. But these are coming in really well with strong resistance levels, so you want to keep that in mind. I do think you get a $7 billion market cap. This is a bullish coin. You can see the incredible run up on market cap you've already gotten since 2022. So I think you just consolidate here a little bit and then set a new market cap high. I don't think it goes to astronomical prices. However, I also think you're going to get a shot a little lower, especially if Bitcoin rolls over like we anticipate, like it always does later this year. I think you're going to get another shot at this green box down here, somewhere around a 2.5 cent Kaspa. Okay. And if you get that and you run just to the 618, you're looking at about a 5x. To market cap high, about a 7x. And if you hit my target, you're going to be looking at about an 11x on Kaspa. So about 1,000% gain. That is a really good return on investment. And that is my prediction. You get 1,000% gain if you can buy in this green box on Kaspa. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll be happy to look at your coin and subscribe to our channel for these regular updates. I'll see you guys next time.